morning, guys. It's a beautiful day. It's a Thursday. Yeah, Thursday morning. So guys, this morning I got up, get ready to do this filming right here, only to find out that the Pocket 3 is dead, that the battery is dead. So I don't know what happened. I had it on charge last night. I could have sworn it was fully charged when I took it off. I just never checked it, but I think it was fully charged. Anyhow, that thing, ever since I got it, it's never dead. I charge it up, once I use it for the day. The battery lasts a while. The original battery is like an hour a little bit, I think. And then the extended battery is like another 2 hours. So in total I get over 3 hours worth of battery life. So last night I knew I had it on charge. See, look, it's just at 11%. If you look, right, top one 11%, that's the original, and then the bottom one is the backup battery. Anyhow, I thought it was charged, put it in the case, go to bed, stuff like that. A while ago I turned it on, it was just no juice, it just won't turn on. When I checked it was dead. I put the backup battery on it and it says it's dead, right? 0%. Now that's kind of odd, because I know I had it on charge last night and I didn't leave it recording last night. So the only way for it to be dead is if it stayed recording the whole time, and for some reason you press that button and it's just recording, all right? Because this camera, it doesn't time out, it just continue record until the battery dies. So if you leave it on, after 5 minutes it'll shut off by itself, right? So it's not gonna die on its own if you leave it on, right? It's gonna just close and turn off by itself, right? So I know it's not a case where it was left on and then died. So the only way the battery will be dead is if it was left on recording, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the SIM card, memory card out of it, and see if anything was recorded on it, to see. If there's nothing recorded on it, then I don't know why it just went dead overnight. I have no idea, unless it was dead before I put it in the case. But as I said, it was plugged in. Maybe it wasn't charging for some reason. I thought it was charging, I was charging, I don't know. Bottom line, camera is dead this morning, so I'm using my phone this morning. It's between my phone and the GoPro. I'm alternating, So long story short, if you're doing this thing, you have to have backup camera, because then when you grab for your camera to get a shot or to do something, then there's no camera, or it's dead or something. So I'm just gonna use my phone to do the morning shots for the day. Let that charge up. It don't take too long, maybe an hour or less. I notice when it's not dead and I put it on there, within minutes it charges back to full. So I would say maybe 30 minutes it should be full, based on what I'm seeing before. So I'm gonna let that charge. Then I'll try and figure out what's going on. I'm gonna take the memory card out in the meantime and see it, check it, if there's anything was recorded. I emptied the garbage this morning. It's garbage day. I gotta talk some Jamaican, cause I get tongue twisted. I put out the garbage a while ago. All that meat stuff I had in the freezer. When you clean your meats, you have those little scrap meat, them little scrap meat there. I take them and put them in the freezer until garbage day. Because if you put them out in the garbage, if you put it in here and put it out in the outside in the garbage, it end up smell stink. So all the Caribbean people and the Jamaican people who know, they know that don't put that out, it will stink. What they do is freeze it, put it in the freezer, put it in a bag, wrap it, make sure it's not leaking, put it in the freezer. When it stays there hard, frozen, and then the day of garbage, you put it in the garbage and put it out. So that's what I did. I emptied out all those garbage I had, those meat cleanings and stuff, in the garbage. Put the garbage by the street side, and now I'm here getting my water together. Today on the list is I carried over a bunch of stuff from yesterday. Yesterday I didn't do much, but I got a lot done. I got the machine done and welded. I just have to sand that little joint down and, you know, make it look nice, paint it. But for the most part, it's on there, it's bolted, it's working, right? So today I'm supposed to be meeting with the hood installers, the grease hood installer. So I'm gonna be calling him to confirm the time when he can come out. I have to make another call to the grease trap guy. I have to move that TV down by the salon. So I'm gonna probably head out shortly. It's already 8:30. Thing about it is those tenants, they're real busy. So every time you go there in the daytime, more than likely they'll have a client. So you don't want to be moving TVs and drilling holes while they have clients, right? So I try to do it at night, but last night I was just, you know, doing something else and tired. So I'm gonna check on the salon today. If they're there, then I'll do it tonight. Keep putting it off. But if not, I'll just do it. If they're not there, I'll just do it right there and then. So I got the TV to move. Today I'm gonna cut the lawn, but the lawn is kind of wet right now, you know, like night dew, like mist. It's kind of damp or wet, so it's not good to cut it that time. When I cut it like that, the grass sticks to your feet and it's just a mess. The lawnmower gets, you know, it's stuck with wet grass. I want to cut it when it's dry, because now I'm bagging the grass. I'm not cutting the grass for it to mulch and stay on the grass. So I put a bag on it and take that grass off. What that does is, if there's any weeds or anything, it won't spread, you know what I'm saying? So when I bag it, I take the grass off of it. So I'm gonna be cutting the lawn. I tested out the trimmer edger I bought yesterday. It works pretty good. So I'm gonna be cutting the lawn either today or, depending on how I feel, maybe today, tomorrow. More likely today. So yeah, I'm just, after this I'm gonna head to the salon real quick, check on the salon, make sure everything is good. Then when I get back, I have one video to edit for yesterday, put out, and when I get back I'll just work on the lawn. Those are, you know, and call who needs to be called. The architect for the restaurant, he's pretty much done. The plans are done, but when I reviewed the last set he sent over last night, there was just one correction. So we corrected a part of it, but there's another correction on I don't know, maybe he missed it or I don't know, but for the existing bathroom and storage area, he had made it a little bit bigger. So that means we would have to tear those walls down and make that area bigger. Now, because it's gonna cost more to do that, I would rather just leave it the way it is and just build off of that for the new bathroom. So when I told him to keep it the same, it was probably a misunderstanding. He was probably keeping it the same way he had originally changed it, and not to the original way it was, how it is inside the building. You know what I'm saying? So maybe he just misunderstood and thought I meant keep it the original way he redesigned it. So I sent an email last night explaining to keep it the way it is inside the building right now, not the way how we changed it. So that correction, once he makes that correction, then everything else should be good from there. Everything else looks good. It's just to move those walls back to the original location as how it is right now inside the building. So I'm gonna just wait on him to do that. Once he does that and get them over to me, get them stamped and get them over to me. It's now Thursday, so I'm thinking maybe by the time he gets done with that and get them stamped and stuff like that, it would probably be tomorrow before I'm able to get them. So tomorrow's gonna be Friday. I don't think I'll be able to do anything with them in terms of submitting them. It might be Monday before I could submit those. Monday, Tuesday. Once I get it. Because I do have to go get them printed and stuff like that. You know. So oh well, I think he gives us copies. He's supposed to give us copies. Yeah. So I'm gonna get the day started. I have my hot water. I'm gonna make me some hot water to drink, and then, you know, we're gonna head out and head down to the salon. Excuse my voice, guys. I just got up not too long ago. It's pretty early, so I'm still sounding kind of rusty, you know. But however, it's a beautiful, beautiful day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. You know, as you can tell, it's a nice Thursday morning. You know, Thursday morning is beautiful. Birds chirping, cars zooming by. The squirrels are already jumping from tree to tree. I'm looking at one of those red birds I was talking about the other day. I don't know what kind of bird it is. If I could take a picture, I would take a picture. I need to shave again. Get rid of some of that beard. Yeah. But yeah, yesterday I went to Home Depot. Remember I said I was gonna get a little bird house to put on one of those trees. I forgot to look. So I still haven't made it to Lowe's. So I'm gonna, whenever I go to Lowe's, I'll just look over there. When I went to Home Depot yesterday, it was late, so I was in a rush. I just went to get it, what I went for, real quick and head out. But yeah, every time I go to Lowe's, I look at them little bird. They got them little wood bird houses. They sell them in probably like a dollar store and stuff too. I think I've seen them over there. You know, or in the hobby store, like was that Hobby Lobby or something? Yeah, I seen them over there too. I get too nice, like a Jamaican bird house put over up on a tree. Yeah, that's nice. As far as this little project right here I'm talking about, the one with the screened area, the privacy fence area, I still didn't buy the materials for that, so you know, I'm kind of more busy with the salon stuff, the restaurant stuff. So you know, as soon as I get a little break mental wise, I'll get that and start that project. Yeah. The only thing is I wanted to start doing these things before it gets busy over by the restaurant, before we actually start building. Because if we start building over there, then it's gonna be no time to get this done. So I'm gonna you know, take a look at this project real soon. Yeah guys, but as I say, it's a beautiful Thursday. You know, nice and calm this morning. No wind blowing. It's just dead calm, silent. You could hear a little bit of crickets in the background. Hear some dogs barking back there. The sun a peep through the trees. It's a lovely morning. Kind of cool this morning, but not cold. It's just cool. You know, in the daytime it gets kind of hot, and it's not muggy or sticky hot yet, but it's kind of hot. You know, there's nowhere, you have to put your AC on. Kind of hot, you know, if you're driving on the road. But that's in like the mid after the road. Once it gets to like 1 o'clock, 1, when the sun is all the way over, then it starts to feel like that. It's that time of year. It's summertime now. All right, guys. I'm gonna finish this hot water. I'm gonna check on the account, the YouTube account, real quick. I'm gonna head to the wait on the camera to charge up a little bit, and then head out to the salon. We'll check back in a minute. All right, guys. So we're over here. We're gonna cut the lawn real quick. I'm gonna set up camera up here so I could. Alright, guys, so I'm in the back. I went out of view there for a minute. So let me reposition. Alright, so I reposition this. See if I could find somewhere. Alright. It's in the sun, but it won't be for long. Alright, guys, so alright, guys, so it's the end of the night for me. It's 9:44. I think I'm gonna close this vlog out. I ended up got the lawn cut and did all of that. The edger worked great. Few hiccups with it. It cut the string sometimes more than usual, but it did the job. It cut it. It edged the whole entire lawn. So I got the lawn cut. Now I'm editing some videos, so I'm downloading these footages for today so I could edit them tonight. Hopefully I could upload it tomorrow. But yeah, I haven't made it over to the salon all day, so maybe sometime tonight or in the morning early I'll probably get up and go over there to go clean up and move that TV. I still haven't moved the TV. So it's Thursday. Today is Thursday. It's about coming to a close. I'm tired. So I'll see you guys early in the morning, 6:30.